Every conversation, whether formal or informal, starts with a greeting, like a simple hello. Saying hello to others offers them access to a sense of belonging, especially when done with an intentional warmth and welcome. Simply saying hello to someone can be so powerful that it can even turn their frowns into smiles and drastically put them in a good mood. Saying hello is one of the basic functions of communication that could end up triggering positive conversations. It helps us connect to people at a more personal level. A hello can make friends of two strangers. It can bring a smile to someone who is alone. A hello can change how we feel about a person, place, and ourselves. Notice it when someone says it to you, and please say it back in return. Welcome to BDMP, breaking down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. Today, we'll be looking at conventional and colloquial ways to say hello in Nigerian Pidgin English. Starting with the former, we could use the following phrases. How now? How now? How you dey? How you dey? How una dey? How una dey? How things? How things? How they go dey go? How they go dey go? How work? How life? How family? How business? Long time no see. Where you go hide your face? Where you go hide your face? And for the latter, we say the following phrases. How far? How far? You'll hear most people pronounce it as hafa, like H-A-F-A. How far? It's the same thing. You just say, how far? How levels? How levels? How job? How bees? How your side? Wetin dey shele? Wetin dey? Wetin dey sup? Supping? Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey pop? Where you? How we be? You scarce o. I hail. Twale. I bow. I greet. Go ahead and choose the form of hello that works for you and start practicing your Nigerian Pidgin English. See you in my next video.